When the clocks change twice a year, you will need to manually change the time on your thermostat. To do this, simply turn the dial on the thermostat to the clock symbol on the right hand side. Firstly, the days of the week will be flashing on the right side of the screen. Using the plus and minus buttons, take the arrow down to the correct day of the week. Number 1 refers to Monday, and so on. Now press the OK button and the hours will be flashing. Set this to the current hour of the day. Press the OK button again and the minutes will be flashing. Set this to the current minute. Press OK again and nothing on the screen will be flashing whatsoever. The time and day are now set. If you turn the dial back to the auto position, you will see the newly altered time in the top left of the screen and the correct day on the right hand side.